Okay, once you've got this set in, you need to take a sponge and wipe it side to side. Don't go down your joints or you'll make a groove if you don't want a groove. I'm gonna let that area set, but then after just for a few minutes, then I'm gonna take the sponge to it and rinse your sponge frequently. But I'm gonna let it dry just a few minutes. It's in the wheelbarrow. There's another area crawling out. We said. I'm turn that water off so it ain't dripping. Gotta work underneath the shrubs. I'll clean that stone off. Did you lift it up? Huh? Let's try it out here. Difficult to get to underneath the shrub there, but more later. We'll show you more when we get it done. This is how he's doing it. How I've been doing it and how he's doing it too.